Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. So today we are going to learn about be going to, affirmative and negative statement and questions. How do we construct sentences with affirmative and negative statement and also questions by using be going to? But before that, we have to bear in mind that we use be going to talk about future plans and intentions. In other words, these are all about present. We move on to our next slide. This is the example of sentences of affirmative sentence using be going to. We are going to help our mother to plant trees this weekend. As for negative statement, we have to use we aren't or are not going to play with friends this weekend. Remember the rules? We use be going to talk about present or future plans and intentions. We also make questions with be and do, and we combine with going to, and after that, verb. Can you see that? Can you understand? If you don't understand, let us see the examples below. Number 1. As for affirmative statement, I am going to see a film at the cinema. Look at this. Look at how I use be going to make sentences. Sorry. As for negative statement, they aren't going to school tomorrow. What about questions? Are you going to the cinema tomorrow? That is the question by using be going to. Alright, let us move to exercise. Read together with me and let us determine together what are the be going to and its verb. Alright, let us start now. Hi Stefan, how are things? It's almost the summer holidays and I'm not going to go to school for 6 weeks. I'm so excited. We are not going to go on holiday this summer because my dad's going to paint the house. So, where are the grammar? Where are the grammar that highlighted in this topic? Let me show you. Look at where I have highlighted before. I'm not going to go. This is the going to and also the verb. We are not going to go. Dad is going to paint. Remember, the verb or kata kerja will always be in base form. Okay, we move on to next paragraph. My mom's going to drive me to my grandparents' house in Wales next week. I'm going to stay with them for about 10 days. When I get back, my friend and I are going to a football course. After that, I think I'm going to relax and play video games. I'm not going to see my brother this summer because he's got a job in Spain. Lucky him. So, where should we highlight? We do together, okay? Is that clear? I hope I'm making all of you clear. So, the last paragraph, what about you? Are you going to come to England on weekend in this summer? Email me and tell me about your summer plans. Bye for now. Look. So, the place we have to highlight here is, look at this. Look at this sentence. Are you going to come to England one weekend in the summer? This is the sentence. This is the question. I hope all of you understand what are we learning today. Thank you so much.